Hey guys, hope you're doing well. I wanted to come here today and let you know about the new program offered in Detroit. Right now in Detroit, you can get up to $25,000 towards your home purchase. Now this program was designed to help Detroiters who have lost their home due to unpaid taxes or foreclosure anywhere from 2010 to 2016. The program also is designed to help people that are currently renting to where they don't have to rent anymore and get into home ownership. Now let's talk about some of the requirements so you can use this program. Now you have to prove that you have lived in Detroit in the last 12 months. You also have to meet an income requirement, also contribute 1% towards the purchase price, and prove that you have not owned a home in the last 3 years. To learn more about down payment assistance and different programs and grants, contact me. My information is below, and I'd love to discuss your options and see how we can help you get into a home. Thanks so much. I'll see you again next time.